Can a $600 phone really take on $1,000 flagships in 2025? After 120 days with the iQOO 13, I might just have the answer, and it's going to surprise you. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Maniac, where we cut through the hype and get straight to what really matters. I've been using the iQOO 13 as my daily driver for the past 4 months, and today, I'm going to tell you why this phone is flying under the radar and why it probably shouldn't be. Let's break down everything: design, performance, camera, software, gaming, and most importantly, whether this phone is truly worth your $600 in 2025. Stick around till the end, because I'm answering the big question: is this the real flagship killer? First off, this thing is built like a tank, but feels like glass. You're getting a frosted matte glass back that resists fingerprints and scratches. Yep, I've used it without a case, and it still looks clean after 120 days. The metal frame adds a premium feel and solid grip, though yes, it does pick up a few smudges. And it's not just looks. This phone is IP68 and IP69 rated, so it's dustproof, waterproof, and even protected against high-pressure water jets. I've dropped it, splashed it, and rinsed it. It lives on. Moving to the display, and this is where things get seriously impressive. It's rocking a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, 2K resolution, and a smart refresh rate that dynamically shifts between 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Super smooth when you need it, battery saving when you don't. Brightness. It hits 1800 nits in high brightness mode, which is insane for this price point. Sunlight legibility is top tier, HDR content looks rich, and color accuracy is chef's kiss. Whether you're binge-watching or gaming, this screen is a treat to the eyes. Now, battery. The iQOO 13 packs a silicon carbon battery, which sounds geeky, but here's the bottom line: more power, less bulk. You're getting a full day of hardcore use, easily. Light users? You might stretch it to 2 days. And charging? It goes from 0 to 100% in around 30 to 40 minutes. I haven't charged this phone overnight in months. Wake up, plug in, sip coffee, done. Let's talk power. Inside is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, and yeah, it's a beast. The phone consistently outperforms the OnePlus 12 in benchmarks, but forget the numbers. Real-world performance is flawless. I played BGMI, Grid Legends, and Withering Waves on max settings for over an hour. Frame rates? Rock solid. The Q2 supercomputing chip enables frame interpolation, so even when a game doesn't support high FPS, this phone smooths it out. There's bypass charging, so power flows directly during gaming. Less heat, more battery life. It stays cool under pressure, with temps rarely crossing 38 degrees Celsius. If you're a gamer, this phone isn't just good, it's elite. Software time. Running on Funtouch OS 15 with Android 15, iQOO brings in some real smarts this year. Highlight feature? AI call translation. Live translation during calls in real time, and it actually works well. It's clean, fluid, and doesn't overlap voices. Huge for global users. Other intelligent touches include smart gesture calls, voice isolation for clearer conversations, auto audio switching between speakers and earbuds. Even gaming features are hidden under accessibility, like the Monster Halo Light. iQOO. Move that stuff into the main UI, please. But overall, the experience feels fast, clean, and responsive. Now let's get to the camera setup. The iQOO 13 has a solid triple lens system, including a 2x telephoto lens and support for 8K video at 30 frames per second. Photos in daylight, sharp, colorful, detailed. The 35mm and 50mm portrait modes, beautiful natural bokeh. Zoom in to 100mm. And yeah, things get a bit soft and artificial. Low light performance is decent. Not pixel level, but perfectly usable for social media. And selfies? Natural tones, great edge detection, consistent dynamic range. It's not a photography phone, but it's more than good enough for everyday and even content creation. So, Back to the question I asked at the start. Can a $600 phone take on $1,000 flagships in 2025? Yes, it absolutely can. The iQOO 13 is not just fast, it's ridiculously powerful, with a flagship display, ultra-fast charging, strong AI features, and solid cameras. If you don't care about flashy branding and just want top-tier performance without breaking the bank, this is your phone. But now, I want to hear from you. Which phone should I review next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss another Tech Maniac deep dive. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay powerful. Peace.